Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle or a sloppy fit? The Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit promises a flawless installation that looks just like it came from the factory. Designed specifically to fit double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size of 3 and 13/16 by 6 and 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm. This dash kit ensures your new stereo sits perfectly in place. No gaps, no guesswork. I've tried other kits before, but none matched the quality and fit of this Scosche product. Unlike cheaper alternatives, the mounts are made of steel, not flimsy plastic, so everything stays rock solid. When I installed my Alpine head unit in my Tacoma, the dash kit fit so precisely it looked like an original part. Plus, the color and texture match the factory dash flawlessly, giving the whole setup a clean, professional finish. Installation was straightforward, too. No special tools required, and the step-by-step instructions made the process smooth and stress-free. What really sets Scosche apart is their commitment to customers. With over 40 years in the business, they back this dash kit with a limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. That means if you ever have questions or run into issues, their expert team is ready to help, long after your purchase. It's a level of service and confidence you don't see every day in car accessories. If you're serious about upgrading your vehicle's stereo, this Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit is worth a look. It's not just about fitting a new stereo, it's about getting a professional, OEM quality finish that lasts. Plus, knowing you have lifetime support makes the investment feel secure. Try it when you're ready to give your car's dashboard the upgrade it deserves.